Hello everyone. I'm going to go over today a step-by-step process on how to mine with your G1 or G1-MINI via 2Miners MimbleWimble coin pool. So let's go and head over to the 2Miners website, MWC.2miners.com. This should be the front page. And then let's click how to start. 2Miners has a specific login where you'll need to convert your Tor public wallet address as a specific login just for their pool. So we're going to use the format of HTTP ://address.onion/. Oops, why did it not copy? So I'm going to copy this and paste it here. And then I'm going to head over to the GUI wallet to copy my actual public wallet address. So here, log into your GUI wallet under receive. Here's your Tor address. And then just highlight and change the address portion. Okay, so I'm going to delete that and then paste it over. So just to make sure, there you go, looks good. That's your address.onion/. Okay. And then we're going to click generate. Now, this is the specific login that we're going to use when we configure our G1 and G1-MINI ASIC miner. Let's copy that. And then let's head over to our dashboard. So log into your G1 or G1-MINI and then head over to pool configuration. And then here, I'm gonna delete all that. You're gonna make sure that you're on the GRIN31. Okay, so GRIN31. I know the default is GRIN32, but switch over to GRIN31. It's a drop down, easy peasy. And then the login that we just copied from the 2Miner website goes in the pool worker section. Okay, so I pasted it there. One additional thing that I'd like to add is an identifier for the specific miner. So let's say I have 2 or 3 G1 or G1-MINIs. I want to identify each one. So I'm going to add a dot at the end of that address, and then I'll name it something unique like rig1. Okay. And then for the pool, it takes the format of stratum +TCP : // and then let's copy the actual server address and port. So I just copied that, paste it. So it should read stratum +TCP : // MWC.2miners.com : 1111. Password, we're just going to leave it as X. Now you're wondering what's pool 2, pool 3 for. I believe this is just serves as a backup. If pool 1 goes down, it connects to pool 2, pool 3 if you have alternatives. So you can just leave that blank, and then I'm gonna save and apply. Okay. Let's check the dashboard. Might take a few minutes for it to start kicking in. Yeah, so basically it should register after a minute or so once it starts sharing. So it should be good to go. There we go. It should average around 4 grabs per second. And there you have it. Just as a review, make sure pull configuration, Green31, um, the server address in a format of stratum plus TCP, colon, // and then paste the server that 2Miners posted on their website. The pull one worker field is the login that we generated using our Tor public wallet address. All right, hopefully you find this useful. Thank you and have fun.